All right, today we're diving into a piece of tech that could literally change the way you see your pet. It's called PetWise, and the whole idea is to put an AI veterinarian and breed specialist right in your pocket. So how does this thing actually work? And what can it really tell us about our furry friends? Let's get into it.
You know this feeling, right? If you've ever adopted a rescue, or you just have a wonderful mystery mutt, you've definitely looked at them and thought this. It's that universal moment of pure curiosity, just wondering, what's their story? What secrets are hiding in their family tree?
Well, with PetWise, you don't need some complicated, expensive DNA test. Nope. The answer is apparently as simple as snapping a picture.
And yeah, it works pretty much exactly how you'd hope. You just snap a photo, or you can even pull one from your camera roll. The app's AI gets to work, and in just a few seconds, bam, you get your results. But here's the thing, it's not just a breed name. It's a full-on report that's automatically saved right to your phone, giving you a complete history that you can check out anytime, even if you're offline.
Okay, so it really does feel a bit like magic, doesn't it? But what's really going on in the cloud when you hit that button? Let's pull back the curtain and check out the engineering that makes this all possible.
So you might be wondering, is this just some kind of fancy reverse image search? The answer is a big no. The secret sauce here isn't just about matching pictures. It's about teaching an AI to think, well, less like a computer and a lot more like a human expert. This is where it gets really cool. The core of it is a technique called AI prompt engineering. And you can think of it like this. Instead of just asking the AI, hey, what does this look like? The developers actually gave the AI a job. They prompted it, saying, your job is to act as an expert veterinarian and a pet breed specialist. Now look at this photo and give me a complete report. It's that super specific instruction that unlocks these incredibly detailed results.
And this whole thing is built on a really smart tech stack. You've got this powerful cloud AI doing all the heavy lifting, analyzing the image. Then there's the Flutter framework, which is why the app feels so smooth and responsive whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. And really important, it uses a local database, which means all your pet's info and their history is saved right on your device. No internet, no problem.
But okay, finding out the breed? That's really just the beginning. The real value, where PetWise starts to become a game changer, is what comes after you get that name.
And this is the whole point, isn't it? Knowing your pet's heritage isn't just trivia. It's the key that unlocks how to give them the best care possible by understanding what makes them, well, them. So you don't just get a simple label like Beagle Mix. No, you get this rich profile. You'll learn about their probable temperament, their expected lifespan. But what's really useful is the practical stuff. We're talking concrete advice like, hey, this breed needs weekly brushing, or keep an eye out for hip dysplasia, or even this dog needs at least 60 minutes of exercise daily. This is the kind of info that actually empowers you to be a better pet owner.
And the vision here is bigger than just one app in one country. The goal is to get this knowledge into the hands of everyone, no matter where they are. And to do that, they had to tackle one of the biggest hurdles in technology, the language barrier.
So they built this app to generate us reports in over 90 different languages.
Yep, you heard that right. We're talking everything from Spanish and Hindi to Swahili and Thai. And look, that's not just a cool feature to list on a website, that's a real commitment. It's about making sure that a pet owner anywhere in the world can get this vital information to take better care of their animals.
And when you make knowledge this accessible, the impact just ripples outward. I mean, obviously it's fantastic for us, the pet owners, but think about it. An animal shelter can use it to create better, more accurate adoption profiles. A vet could use it for a quick reference. Even students learning about animal care can benefit. It really becomes a resource for the entire pet care ecosystem.
And that really gets to the core philosophy behind this tech. It's not just about identifying breeds. As the creators themselves put it, it's about enhancing the relationship between humans and their beloved pets. And you do that through better understanding. It's just a really powerful example of how AI can be about more than just productivity. It can be about connection. Using technology to help us better understand and care for the animals in our lives feels uniquely meaningful, and it leaves us with a fascinating question to chew on. If AI can already do this, if it can actually deepen the bond we have with our pets today, what's next for technology in the world of animal welfare?